Good morning, Internet. Today is Saturday. It's December 17th and it's a little after 10 a.m. And we're going to take a walking tour around Riu Republica in Punta Cana. We're going to start in the reception area. From the reception area, there's rooms to the left and to the right. We're going to start left. There's a gym. I'm a lazy vacationer, so I won't be in there. These are some of the rooms. Honestly, I've spent most of my time here at the party pool and the beach, so I haven't been back here at all. But this is it's a pool. It's a water slide. I'm gonna hit that today, I think. I think this is as far back as we get. So there's a pool with a swim-up bar over yonder. Those all open up at 10 a.m. just for reference. And then there's a buffet restaurant over there. I don't need to watch people eat, so I'm gonna go the other way. Here's the map of the whole resort. That way's to the ocean and over here. Okay. Towels. You'll get a towel card when you check in and you exchange it for towels. They do run out of towels sometimes, so make sure you get one. I'm on the other path, so water slides over there. I think that's one of the quieter pools. One of the, not the quietest, I don't think, because there's music playing. I think this might be the quietest pool. There's no music over here. Some peace and quiet. No idea what this is. I haven't seen this before. This is very much the quiet pool. There's no need to walk around the quiet pool because it doesn't go anywhere. You come back to the back side of the water slide. Here's the water slide rules. No food, drink, being drunk, or no animales. So. Taking a different way back, but this is about it for the what is to the left of the reception area. Reception area is right there. I came through that path on the way, did the loop back there, and now I'm on a different path on the way back. Okay, back in the reception area. That's where I was just before, so now we're gonna go the other way. If you hang a right, that's a left, by the way. If you hang a left on the edge of the reception hall, there's a walkway that leads to looks like one bar and 3 restaurants back here. So, Ole, it's a Spanish restaurant, I think. Open from 6:30 to 9. Not open right now. Monday, every day of the week. This is a fusion restaurant, and it is open Sunday through Thursday, 6:30 to 9. And this is Taj Mahal. It's an Indian restaurant. Again, 6:30 to 9, every day of the week. I've eaten at the Taj Mahal and the Olay. Both were good enough. Once again, back in the reception area, and now we're gonna go to the right, roughly. Second lobby. We came from over there. That's the main reception. The sports bar's over there, and the pink lobby's back there, and the spa is right there. There's a bar here. I think this one closes at midnight. So then off the side of the second lobby, there's a sports bar. This is the discotheque. And there's bathrooms back there. And this walkway leads back by the Taj and those restaurants. That's where that goes. Back in the second lobby. I kind of called this the pink lobby just because. Off to the other side is a gift shop. Never been. Pink lobby, part 3, I guess. And leave and go down this way. This way leads another video that I'll put in. So this is sort of the trunk highway that runs along the whole resort, and everything in it is kind of off of this in the direction. It's kind of the trunk for this half of the resort. Just goes straight that way to the beach. Gift shop off to the right. Some restaurants off in this building on the right. Main stage, and where the shows and stuff are, is off to the left. There's a bar right there that is open during the shows and in the evening. Tarantella, I think that's the Italian restaurant. I think that's a Japanese restaurant. And this leads to some of the rooms here. This would be the loudest rooms right there. Try to stay away from that part, because that's where the disco and the shows and stuff are. So if you're like to get to sleep early, stay away from that. I think this is the main buffet restaurant. On this half of the resort, again, there's another buffet restaurant on the other half of the resort too. And then here at the turn, that goes to some more rooms. That's where we're staying, is up in that area. So also at the end of that walkway, it's where the cats hang out. So if you want to see cats, they're down there. Okay, this is the end of that main path. This is the main buffet restaurant over here, and also the snack bar restaurant, which is open pretty much the other parts of the day. When the buffet isn't open, the snack bar is open. Right by the snack bar, that's the steak restaurant. Again, Monday, every day of the week, 6:30 to 9. Here's the snack bar. They got like burgers and fries and pizza and stuff like that. A little walkway here goes down to the pool. Some bathrooms back there too. So. The buffet is it's an all-inclusive buffet. Like, if you've been to one of them, they're all largely the same, and that one's fits that bill. So there's fruit and meat slices and an omelet station and all that kind of jazz. So it will not be the best meal of your life. You will not write down how great it was, but you will survive. It's good enough. This is a quiet pool here. Not the quietest of the quiet pools, because you can still hear the music from the party pool, but it's quieter. So this is the last pool. No, that's not the last pool. I think this is considered another quiet pool, but it's got a swim-up bar. The beach runs along that way. There's 3 pools that along the kind of the beachfront edge. Two of them have swim-up bars. Getting self-conscious about the way I say bar. Anyway. Okay. I'm gonna get to the beach a little bit. First we have to watch someone take pictures of her boyfriend. So. Kind of on the leftern edge of the beach side, there's a beach bar over here. This is the back side of the dune. There's a jerk hut over yonder. I'll get that on the other side of the beach. Beach bar. That's the seaweed situation. If the maintenance crew doesn't do something about it. So they did though. Over here, they buried all the seaweed. I believe we were still under a red flag here, so swim with caution.
Whoa, it's like a big splash right here. Just a minute ago.
There's some chairs that are in the palm trees in the shade. There's no palapas or umbrellas or anything down there at the beach. If you fancy yourself fairly rustic, you can, oh, sorry, topless. You can hang out up in the trees. So this is the walkway bath. Kinda came, quiet pool, other swim up bar over there, party pool. Jerk chicken, and it is just like jerk chicken and hot dogs. They don't have any side dishes or anything here, so if you want anything like french fries or any of that, you gotta go over to the snack bar. It's tasty. And now this is the party pool. There's usually games every half hour or so by the party pool. And again, this is the backside of that snack bar, main buffet, wife. A couple final notes on the Riu. It's a fine enough resort. All of the restaurants, the sit-down restaurants, are some variety of buffet, so they look like a la carte, but you really can't order something custom for you. So just know that. I hadn't put that in my other video. So all right, let's do a water slide.